Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm back with the first week of August reading. Start from the 1st through the 7th of August 2021. This reading is going to be for the sign of Sagittarius. So let's see what can Sagittarians expect in the first week of August time. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading, plus I will also pull out some messages from your person as well. So stay tuned. And now while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there. Always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Sagittarians, let's dive into the read and let's find out what can you expect coming up for you in this week time. Let's begin. Ten of Cups. You will be having a lot of thoughts on your mind. You will be having a lot of stuff on your plate right now to deal with, to manage. There will be so many tasks that you have been told to get done with. There could be a lot of responsibilities coming your way as well in this week time. So it's going to be a very busy week is what I'm picking up, and especially the very beginning of the week is going to be very very busy, very time consuming for you, which is going to make you feel tired, which is also going to make you feel like you need a break from all of it. You need some time for yourself, you need some time for the one that you love, you need some time for your you know to meditate, to contemplate, to decide, to plan, to figure things out. So it's going to be more of a busy time for you. And yeah, let's see more cards here. King of Swords, Six of Pentacles. You will find yourself having some sort of imbalance in your life where you might be working a lot, which is going to make you feel like there is a lack of balance in your life. You really have to do something to bring the balance in your life. Maybe you would be working so committedly right now or aggressively right now that you would feel the need to have time for your loved one, for your family. Maybe you are spending a lot of time with your family already, and now you want to bring the balance in your life. You want to have something other than that as well. So it's going to be different. If you have been having a good time with your friends and family, you will feel like getting back on track now. You're getting back on the daily routine where you work, where you do other stuff as well. But for majority of you, I feel like it's otherwise. It's like you are tired of responsibilities. You are tired of taking care of work responsibilities, home responsibilities, and you want some time for yourself. You want some sort of balance in your life where you could have the life where you could feel relaxed as well. You want some time alone for yourself where you could spend that specific time for yourself with the one that you love. You would feel the need to have the balance in your life, which you might feel like right now is missing in your life right now. So it's going to be that kind of energy. Let's see more cards here. King of Wands, Two of Pentacles, Eight of Cups. Underneath the deck we do have the Two of Cups. You would feel love for a specific someone. You would feel like that is missing in your life right now. This person, this one thing, love, relationships, is going to be on your mind. You would want somebody in your life to have that time spent with them. So it's going to be more like a situation where you have been taking care of so many things already that you want to break free from that routine. You want something new in your life. You are tired of that particular routine where you go to work, come home, spend some time with the family and then sleep. You want your love life as well. So it's going to be more of that time where you're going to feel like maybe you need to bring some balance in your life. Maybe you need to make some room for your love life. Maybe you need to have somebody in your love life. You are going to open yourself up to the idea of letting a new person in your life, letting a past person in your life, and stop living the life that you have been living right now, because you don't feel good, you don't feel excited about this life anymore. So you want excitement, happiness, love back in your life. Underneath the deck we do have Two of Cups. Underneath that we do have Five of Swords. Underneath that we do have Eight of Pentacles. I feel like this is your own choice of living the life. And if you are unhappy with that, you definitely have a strong sense of clarity that you usually use in your work scenarios. It's high time that you use the same clarity in your love life as well. As you do so, you will be able to break free from this routine which is now making you feel bad, and which can give you the kind of life that you desire. It's more like everything is under your control. You are somebody who is a very strong-headed person. Now, if you really want to break free from the kind of life that you are living right now, you can definitely make up your mind around it and then decide, plan, and go about it. Because you are somebody who's always like, who, once you decide, you always make sure that you achieve what you set yourself to achieve. So nothing in the world can stop you. You chose this life, and now you are choosing to have a different kind of life. Then go for it. I feel like, in this week time you would feel like going for it. I don't see that you are going to be talking to the one, spending time with the one, but yes, I do see you going towards what you want for sure in this week time. Let's see the messages from your person. Let's see whoever it is that you're dealing with, what do they want you to know. I could not let you get closer to me. um I feel like, maybe because of your unavailability to them, maybe they could not let you get closer to them, because the more they would want you, the more you were kind of, maybe pushing your person away. So they could not let you get closer than that, because they cannot, let you treat them the way that you were treating them. I can't stop thinking about you. This person does think about you and miss you at the same time. They don't want anything less with you. They want something beautiful with you. They want something where they don't have to go on and off with you. They want something reliable. They want something stable with you. Maybe you have been indulging into your work scenarios a bit too heavily, that you could not give time and love to your person. You fail to maintain the balance there, and which is something that you are also recognizing, acknowledge right now. So now you would feel that yes, you want to do something about it. You cannot go along with this situation any longer. You want some change. You want that balance in your life. You want your person in your life, and that's why you are going to do something to break free from the current routine. Let's see more messages. The grass was not greener on the other side. Maybe maybe your person felt like, staying away is going to help them, but it's still, staying away is also not the right solution for them, because they do miss you. They cannot stop thinking about you. They want to be closer to you, but at the same time, with your attitude towards them, they had no other choice left. Let's see one more card here. I have been keeping an eye on you online to see what you have been up to. They might have been checking you on social media just to see what is going on in your life as well. So it seems like, this person is waiting for you rather than them taking any action towards you. My family knows about us. Their family definitely knows about you and the connection that they have with you, but at the same time, they want you to incorporate them in their life. They want you to make some room for them in their life, for them in your life. The energies could be reversed for some of you as well, but yeah, let's see more messages. Let's see what are the oracle messages for you right now in the current situation that you are dealing with right now in your love life. Let's see. Let's take these cards here. The first card is summer, bask in joy and light. I feel like, the summertime is going to be very significant around this connection, because it may give you the happy times that you want with your person. So as they are going to choose to spare time for you, or you are going to spare time for them, if that matches your situation, the fun times are definitely getting back in the connection. Honor your inner knowing. Definitely, you both know that this connection is meant to be for sure, and you have to honor that. Trust your talents in changing times. We both know that, it's more like, when you decide that you want to do something, you both manage to do that. For some of you, you could be dealing with the same sign as well. Be devoted and committed. As devoted as committed you are to your work, your responsibilities, other than your love life, stay that much committed to your love life as well. Trust me, you will succeed. Again, trust your talents. Guardian angel, you are not alone. Angels have been protecting your connection. You are never alone. The support is always, or has always been there for the two of you, or for the connection that you have with your specific someone. It was always like, I feel like, with your energy, seems like, you have like I told you earlier, with the King of Swords energy, it's like, a strong-headed person. So if you set yourself to achieve anything, you can definitely do that. You have all the talents, you have all the tools and techniques that you can make things right, but somehow you chose to ignore your love life purposely. And if that has happened, it's high time that you change that to what you desire in your love life with your person. And if spending more time with them is gonna help, do that. If sparing time for them is gonna help, that do that. But yes, you have a definite support from the divine in this situation. So whatever you choose is going to help you to come together. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys. Take care. Bye bye.